So I'm getting the piece of wood from the wood shop, and we're going to put some vinyl on it. Okay, so this is my wood. So I'm going to make sure that all the sawdust and anything that I missed, I'm going to brush that off. So I went ahead and cut my decals. I didn't make a video on how to make these decals. There's plenty of videos on how to cut decals, but for the sake of time, I just cut that out. No pun intended. So anyway, so I have 3 words: truly, madly, deeply, and in order to cut words that are this big, like over 12 inches, actually over 11.5 inches, you have to have the mat that is 24 inches. Without that, you can't do this. I mean, there is a way you can make it diagonal, but you're losing a lot of vinyl by doing that. So just get the bigger mat if you want to do bigger decals. Okay, so next I put some transfer tape on all 3. And I have some mixed feelings about this transfer tape. I got it on Amazon. I can link it down in the description below. However, this is the second roll that I've ordered since I've had my Cricut. Whatever I got the first roll, whatever roll I got the first time was on point. And I'm going to have to dig through my Amazon to find it. I thought it was this, and when I got it, I'm like, oh, this is different. But, I said, I'm going to use it. The reason why I don't like this particular transfer tape, it's not very tacky. The vinyl doesn't stick to it like it should. So I've messed up a whole bunch of stuff just because of this. I mean, not a whole bunch, but you know what I mean? It's not as good as the first one that I got. So once I use this roll, I'm not ordering this one anymore. So I laid it out here using the lines, which that's why I saw it. I said, oh, it has lines now. And I lined up all of the letters as best as I could. And then I measured, it was about 2 inches between this and this on each side. So I'm going to I'm going to put some more transfer tape, and then I will be applying this. Okay, it looks a little bit off, but it's okay. Once you get your transfer tape on everything, then you're going to burnish it, because you're going to get all these things out. Just push, start in the middle, and push. My dogs were being really loud, so I turned off the volume for this part. But I'm just measuring and making sure that everything is 100%. Again, I'm just checking the measurements on both sides. So once it's down, now you go ahead and start burnishing it with your burnisher. And you take as long as you want. See, this is what I mean with this transfer tape. I don't like it. See, it's supposed to be on the vinyl. Like this, the vinyl's supposed to be on it so you can peel it off. But it's not doing right until you burnish it a lot. Okay, so now everything is on properly and straight. So now we are going to burnish with our burnisher. Okay, moment of truth. So I'm going to start peeling off this transfer tape. And when I peel it back, and if the vinyl sticks to it, which it hasn't been, then you would put it right back down and burnish it some more. See, like that. So that needs to be burnished. So you just put it right back down and do it some more. All right, let's try this again. I had to burnish it a lot. So So I'm going to peel this transfer tape off very carefully. See, that I need to burnish that again. The dogs were barking, so I had to turn down the volume again, but I am just peeling the transfer tape off and making sure there's no bubbles. So it is finished. It's hard to take a video of the whole thing without showing my mess, but I like it. Let's see if I can take another picture. So I hope you can see it. I had to go in my dining room to try to find a good place to put it so I could take a picture or a video. And I hope you can see it. But I like it. All I have to do is put hardware.